Hello everyone, Matthew Simmons here. I want to bring you another original. This is the Perplexing Wreath knot. Let's get started. This is my left side. It's at the belt line. We got 2 ties. I'm going to come over here. We're going to put in a fold. I'm using a fatter at the bottom and a skinnier one on top so you can see the 2 layers distinctly. Bring them both over like this. On either side, twist it, come back. Once we're here, we're gonna make it go back down. It's gonna unfold again. We're gonna leave it like that. We're gonna bring one over like this, one over like this. So you can see that, and then we're just gonna kind of slide it down to where we can still see the wreaths. Bring it back over here like so. I'm gonna take the one on my right hand side, come across like that, and then that'll be the end of that one. Then the other one, do a wreath like this, come over here like this here. And I have enough room for this one over here to just come back under like so. Well, no, not like that. I don't have enough to do that. I'm just gonna come like this, but kind of slide that over. There's the Perplexing. Again, own your own style, my friends. You're fearfully wonderfully made. We'll catch you in the next video. Let me show you what the finished one looks like. The picture will be on Instagram at Simmonsessentials. Peace and God bless.